Yo, what's going on guys? Marco here, and in today's video I'm gonna be getting my side tips installed on my truck. So the tips I ended up going with were some Forza tips, so I can see right here. So the muffler I did want was out of stock, it was on back order, so for now I'm just gonna get the tips installed with a straight pipe, and then later on I'm gonna get the muffler installed. Right now the truck has a straight pipe, just a muffler delete, so I'm gonna let you guys take a listen. To be honest, the sound did change from the tips, just the tips alone. The sound is like more defined and it's more crisp now, definitely more crisp. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. So obviously the tips did make a huge difference. The truck actually sounds like more crisp, but I stopped to get a muffler on here because the muffler I actually wanted was on back order. When I get that muffler in, I'm gonna cut off the cats and then I'm gonna get that muffler. For now it sounds decent, I just wanted to get it on there for the looks, but it looks really nice on there. Let me know what y'all think. Drop a like, subscribe for more content on the OBS, and comment down. Let me know what y'all think about the tips. I think they're nice, and see you guys in my next video. Peace out.